Hi, this is Eric and welcome to my tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how you can download Landsat images which are freely available on the internet. And this tutorial is quite important because I've had a number of people writing to me wanting to find out how they can download Landsat images. So if you are ready, let's start. Now to begin with, what you do is that you go to Almighty Google and then you type Earth Explorer over there. Then you click on the enter key to search for the Earth Explorer website for you. So you will have a number of options indicating, but the best option probably is going to be the first option, which indicates the earthexplorer.usgs.gov website. So you click on that first option, and that is also going to open the Earth Explorer website for you. Once that is open, then there are quite a number of things that we will be doing once we get into the website. So the first thing that you have to watch out for is that I have used the Earth Explorer website just before I recorded this video, so it has selected some areas which I'm going to remove those areas and demonstrate everything from scratch. So the first thing that you have to do is that you need to register for an account once you come over here. But I already have an account and therefore it indicates that I have logged in. But if you don't have an account, then you should see register over here. You can click on that register and then it will create an account for you, which is created free of charge. And then you have to log in using the account details to be able to download your images. So after you have logged in, the next thing you have to do is that you have to also now define the data sets that you are interested in downloading. And in our case, we are interested in downloading Landsat images. So you come to data set over here, and then it is going to show you all the available data sets. So these are all the available data sets that is on the website, and we are interested in Landsat images. So you come to Landsat, you click on this Landsat over here, you click on the plus sign, and then it shows two Landsat. You have the Landsat cover 1 and then the Landsat legacy. What we want to do is to come to the Landsat cover 1, and then you come to the last option, which is the Landsat collection 1 level 1. You select all the 4 available sensors. So this actually shows you the sensors, the available sensors. So we have Landsat 1 to 5, which is a multispectra scanner. We have Landsat 7, which is the enhanced thematic mapper plus. So you select all these 4. However, if you are interested in just 1 or 2 of them, you select the ones that you are interested in. And then once you finish with that, you come down over here, and then you are now going to search for the area where you want the image to be downloaded for. And in doing that, there are several options. So one of the options is that if you have a shapefile or you have a KML file of that area, you can upload. So you can click on this KML.shapefile tab over here in the left pane, and then you can navigate by clicking on the select file button here, which would show you your working directory, and then you can now navigate to where you have the shapefile or the KML file. So that is one option. The other option is that if you have the coordinates, you can also click on add coordinates, and then you input the latitude and the longitude of the coordinates over here, and that will send you to that exact location. Additionally, what you can do is that if you have a rough idea of the area, then you can also put coordinates on the area yourself, and that is actually what we are going to do. So I know the area that I want to download the image for, which is just around this area, so I can click anywhere, and then it's add coordinate. I click over here, it add coordinate. I click over here, it add coordinates. I click over here, it add coordinates. So now I have selected my area of interest. Once you are done with that, you come over here to the results tab on the left pane. You click on that, and then it shows you the images that are available for the area that you have selected. So we need to wait for some time for that to be selected. We have the available images for this sensor Landsat 8. Or if you are interested in downloading an image for a different sensor, what you do is that you click on this drop down, and then it is going to show all the 4 available sensors that is selected. In this case, I want to download a recent image of the area. So Landsat 8 shows you the recent images. I'll click on that, and then there are several available images over here. So before you download the image, what you want to do is to have an idea of the cloud cover of the image, because if there are more clouds on the image, then you may not be able to use it for what you are seeking to use the image for. So for what I want to use this image for, I need a cloud cover of not more than 5%. So I will show the metadata, which will help me to see the cloud cover. Alright, so this 4th tab over here, counting from the left, if you click on that, it is going to show you the metadata of the image. And then you can see the cloud cover, which will help you to make a decision whether you have to download the image or not. Yeah, so you can see right from this image that there are several clouds on this, and the image may not be so useful. So we can scroll further down, and then we will see the percentage of the cloud. So you see land cloud cover is about 84.8%. It means this image is not an image that we like. So I may scroll further down and see if I can get an image where the cloud is 5% or less. So let's check for this. I click on the metadata, and then for this also, it's very likely there are some clouds over here just by looking on the picture. I can close this one also, maybe come further down and maybe check on this one here. So I click on this, it opens the metadata for me. And by looking at the picture, I can see that there is really no cloud cover for this image, so probably it might be a good image. And like I said, so from the land cloud cover we have 0%, so this is a very good image. So once you check all this and you are satisfied that that is the image that you want, then you click on this download option button over here, which is going to open a pop-up which indicates all the download options for that image. So we have 5 main download options, and all of them have specific uses. So if you want to see the individual bands of the image so that you can do band combination for image processing, such as image classification, then the best option is to download this level 1 GeoTIFF data product, because this contains the actual individual bands of the image. So for the purposes of what we want to do is the last option that is of interest to us. So you click on that to initiate the download, and I'm using the Internet Download Manager app, so that is going to open to help me to download the image. Alright, so it is ready to initiate the download, and it begins the download. It's going to take some time for the download to finish, but what I can do is that I'm going to show how the download is going to look like from that I have already Alright, so like I said, this is one of the images that I have downloaded. It's a 2020 image, and you can see the individual bands of the image over here. We have band 1, band 2, band 3, all the way to band 11. And another important file in this downloaded image is the MTL file, which contains also the metadata of that. So you can double click to open, and that shows you the metadata. It shows you the time the image was captured, it shows you the path and role, it shows you the sensor ID, and then it also shows you the cloud cover as well as other information about the images. So basically that's how to download Landsat images from the website. It's a very simple, easy step. Please leave a comment after watching this video so that I have an idea of your feedback to improve on my subsequent videos. And then also you may subscribe to this channel so that you will be alerted anytime I post a video. Thank you very much, and have a good day.